So today I'm going to show you how to make the ring style version of the Rigilin Bandeau, which is a strapless tube top. If you want to see how to make the knot version, I have the tutorial up already. You can click here. So as usual, the first thing you want to do is print your paper patterns out. Now the pattern is layered, so you have Adobe, you can just pick the size that you want and then just print it out. Just make sure that you're printing at 100% or do not scale, and double check that the test square measurements match before you cut it out in your preferred size. Where there are half hearts, you want to just match the letters together to form the full pattern, and you can use glue or a piece of tape to join them. Now for this pattern, it is the ring version, so just be aware where you're meant to cut on the pattern. You're going to need, as usual, swim fabric, elastic, some Rigilin or plastic boning, and an O-ring. I have all the details in the guide, and when you cut it all out, you're going to end up with something that looks like this. So you're going to have 4 pieces for the front and 4 for the back. We're going to start with the back strap pieces first. You're going to match them right sides together, and we're going to stitch on the outside edges, leaving the side seams open. Don't forget to add elastic as well. And you can use an overlock machine or a serger, that's completely up to you. When that's done, you can turn it right sides out, and we're going to put it aside while we work on the fronts. So we're going to stitch the top and the bottom part for the fronts, leaving the center front and the side seam open. When that's done, you're going to find the middle point of the back straps and the front pieces on the side seams, and you're going to loop it through like so, matching the side seams. Now I like to do this because I'm going to do a little pleat version for this top. You can watch the other video that I show you how to do a gathering one, but I'm just going to match the side seams together so I know where the center pleat should be. And you're stitching across multiple layers here, so take your time and make sure you get all 4 layers through. And when that's done, you can add the plastic boning. I go into detail about how to prep your boning for the Bali top, so you can go and check that out as well. When you're done, you can just turn it to the right sides and close that center front opening. You do not have to use elastic there. And then all that's left to do is just to loop it around the center ring, and you can do a straight stitch or a hand stitch. I don't know where I put my zipper foot, so I had to do a hand stitch, and that's basically it. You'll be done, and you'll have this really cute minimalist top, and I love it so much. Like I said, you can do the knot version as well. If any questions, just leave them below, and I'll see you in the next one.